I'm Andrew Finkelstein, Finkelstein and Partners. I specialize in handling catastrophic injuries. I wrote a book that says, I hope we never meet, because you do not want to be my client. I have the tremendous benefit of having lived in a household where my dad practiced personal injury law. And I saw from a small child how important this work is. And as I watched my father's impact on the families that he helped and the community at large, I knew this was my calling. So the arc of a trial lawyer who has a long history of trying a lot of cases is a large arc. You do not start day one really knowing what you're doing. The greatest skill for trial work and to be a really good trial lawyer isn't what you say, it's what you hear. And you need to be able to interpret and listen with clarity, because when you can listen with clarity what somebody is truly trying to articulate to you, you can then frame your argument based on those words. Clients themselves don't even know their full story, because while they tell me a story, what they're really talking about is isolation. What they're really talking about is betrayal, how they feel that they are left in a situation that have left them powerless. And what I do is I stand up and empower them to tell their story effectively, concisely, and with true meaning. To do it right, it has to really come from within. I don't pursue these cases for compensation for my client. That's the end result, but that's not the motivation, because what I truly am is a deterrence lawyer. My job is to hold the wrongdoer accountable to the greatest extent possible, because that then sends a message to other potential wrongdoers. So the story I tell is one of deterrence, and the secondary story is the consequences of those bad choices that result in catastrophic injuries. But I am never standing up in front of a jury asking for pity, asking for sympathy. My client doesn't want sympathy. My client wants their voice to be heard and what happened to be recognized.